You can't tampering with evidence is a felony, and refusing to put information I'm trying to report, and he's a detective.
Have any more questions? Any
Well,
more concerns?
well, when do police start enforcing the law with the custody agreement that said? So you said after 7 times?
Sometimes laws do change. Sometimes policy do change. Sometimes the way courts do things, they change. That's why it's always good that when an officer files your report, that you call and say, "Who's my detective?" And then the detective can go over your case and also provide you any information of any new updates or the way the court operates, everything.
Okay, but you said after 7. I just wanted to know what you just said.
My experience is that after you file six reports, one after the other one, that's enough for the detective to present the case to the DA. Now, once we present the case to the DA, it's up to them to take it.
Okay, so tampering with evidence and hindering the case is a crime.
Um,
So why would they violate my rights if I have evidence that I'm not seeing my child ever since 2018? So
uh,
are multiple parties conspirators in hindering a child custody agreement, which is a felony?
those are good questions that you bring up.
Okay.
Did you bring up those questions to Detective Pettis?
Well, I'm doing a report now,
Okay.
and I want he was tampering with evidence and didn't want to put those in the report. So
Okay.
that's why I'm doing the report now. He said that I was interrupting people and was making false allegations to cover for the crimes that were being committed, like multiple other parties. But I wanted to address why the police department routinely violates my rights and not give me enforce the law with me. So if I'm reporting that my child custody rights are being hindered, which is a felony, are they conspirators in it by not doing following proper protocol with the investigation?
So you're trying to make sure that this situation and that once it's filed, that the courts pick it up and the other party is prosecuted, right?
And yeah, I want to stop being ignored and the crimes
You're
stop
trying
being
to
covered
make sure
for it.
this goes forward.
Right, because it hasn't won any forward since 2018.
Yes. So this has been going on since 2018, right?
Right.
Let me put that in. They should be contacting you. If not, you have the phone number and the address where you can
Okay.
contact them.
Why would they not contact me? Are they hindering my child custody rights, which is a crime?
Sometimes they get busy with other cases, and I tell citizens,
Well, if can't you report to them the urgency because this has been going on since 2018? Hindering
um,
the child custody agreement is a felony. Hindering the case is a crime.
if you allow
So
me,
there's multiple,
yes, ma'am.
yeah.
If you allow me, I can go get my phone and I'll call them down there, and I'll let them know that you would like to talk to a detective.
Okay.
Can that be possible?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back. Okay.
Oh, you're gonna have a detective come here?
No, I would call a detective.
Okay.
I would tell him what I have,
Okay.
and I would ask him if I can take you downtown with me so you can sit down and talk to him. If he says that he will contact you by phone, then he will contact you. But I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna make the phone call in front of you, and I'll ask him what's the next step to proceed.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Thank you.
I'll be right back. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.